shall reflect on the life of Saint Frances Xavier Cabrini. Christian Maria Francesca at her birth on the 15th of July 1850, Saint Frances was the 13th child of Augustine and Stella Cabrini. Having completed her primary grades under her sister Rosa, the village schoolmistress, she went to the Daughters of the Sacred Heart at Arluna at 13. For 4 years, after having graduated brilliantly at the age of 18, she devoted herself to nursing the sick poor in her hometown. At the age of 24, she was asked by the vicar of Codogno to take charge of a private orphanage named House of Providence, and from this institute she later developed her own congregation at the request of a bishop. Due to her marvelous gift of organization and administration, her perfect tact, and her ability to read character, the missionary sisters of the Sacred Heart grew prodigiously. Similar schools for orphans, for other more fortunate children, as well as for adult women, besides hostels for normal school and college students, founded in quick succession in various Italian towns and cities, proved very successful in counteracting similar anti-clerical and Protestant efforts. Mother Cabrini had hoped to send some of her sisters to the Chinese missions, but Pope Leo XIII decided that she should expand instead to the United States. Here, the large number of poor Italian immigrants were her special care, for many of them, by and large illiterate, were confronted by the new and difficult conditions of life in America, and they were being exploited by unscrupulous agents and surrounded by Protestant influences, and thus were losing their faith. Mother Cabrini was 39 years old when she arrived with her first group of sisters and began operating orphanages, oratories, and day schools in the face of every kind of difficulty. Some of Mother Cabrini's ventures were so audacious as to seem to have been miraculously inspired, and they were proof of the foundress's magnificent faith and trust in God. Started in 1891 with a nominal fund collected from Italians living in the United States, the Great Columbus Hospital went on to win state recognition in 1895. In the interest of a rapidly expanding institute, this mother of the immigrants had to learn 3 new languages, traveling considerably by train to the far west of the United States and to Central and South America, where she crossed the Andes on muleback, then to France, Spain, and England, and back to her own beloved Italy. Mother Cabrini died suddenly when all alone in the Chicago house of her order on the 22nd of December 1917, just at the age of 67. Pronounced venerable on the 3rd of October 1933 and beatified on the 13th of November 1938, she was canonized by Pope Pius XII on the 7th of July 1946.